my channel. Today's recipe is Banga Soup. This tasty soup is a traditional Nigerian dish made with farm fruit concentrate or Banga oil. And I will be preparing this soup with chicken. Here are the ingredients required for this recipe. Farm fruits or Banga, chicken, prawns, crayfish, Banga fish, scent leaves, spices, ginger, garlic, fresh pepper, onion, seasoning and salt. I will leave the complete recipe in the description below. First thing here is to cook the palm fruits or Banga. This step is necessary so as to make it easy for us to extract the palm concentrate or Banga oil. While the Banga is cooking, I will take that time to dress my chicken since I will be using one from our small poultry. Okay, our chicken is already dressed and ready for use. Let's check to see if the Banga has cooked enough. Yeah, it has. Next, we will need to ease this pot from fire and replace it with another one with which to steam the chicken meat. And to do this, we need to introduce our spices. A mixture of ginger and garlic paste, sliced onions, turmeric powder, one seasoning cube, and a little salt. Let's allow the meat to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. As we await the chicken to simmer, let's extract the Banga oil from the cooked Banga. I prefer pounding the cooked Banga. It's easy for me to extract the oil this way. How do you do yours? Please feel free to share your method in the comment section. I also like using warm water so I can get as much oil as I can. You need to squeeze very well so that you don't lose some of the oil in the recipe. Here our Banga is ready. Let's see how our chicken is doing. Almost ready. Let's give it 2 or 3 minutes more. Alright, we are good to go. We have to drop the chicken and cook the Banga oil a little, say about 5 minutes. There you go. Once you see the redness of the oil coming out, you know it's time to introduce the other ingredients. The chicken, prawns, crayfish, the Banga fish, the Banga spices, seasoning and salt to taste. Stir the condiments to allow them to mix evenly. Okay, don't forget the scent leaves. I normally put this last. Now, let's allow the soup to fully cook for another 5 minutes and we are done. Wow, our soup is coming out really nice and the aroma is divine. I can't wait to have it taste of this. Yeah, the delicious and healthy Banga soup is ready to be served. What is your favorite spice? Eba, Wele, Amala, pounded yam, Kunu, Fufu, or Ami? Well, I'll be using Eba, but my husband prefers finger millet swallow. Oh yeah, now, let's go over to the sitting room. Please, if you follow this recipe, let me know in the comment section how your meal turned out. Also, let me know where you are watching from. Plus, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty